Breaking news is coming in. TMC leader Kunal Ghosh reacts to BJP's allegations that crude bombs found close to BJP party office on Saturday signal the possibility of an attack on the party office. Ghosh asks, what is the value of BJP's party office after they won only 75 seats in this state? That's the latest coming in at the moment.
पार्टी अभी वो 75 में अटक चुका है, उसका पार्टी ऑफिस का वैल्यू क्या है? उसका अंदर में ही वो सब था। जो लोग दूसरी स्टेट से आकर वहाँ पर रहते थे, वो जब बैग एंड बैगेज लेकर अभी भाग रहा है, उससे बैग से वो हो सकता है उससे निकल पड़ा हो, तो वो उसका प्रॉपर्टी है, हमारा कुछ नहीं है।
All right, this is the face-off over the crude bomb recovery near the BJP office. Prema is getting us all the latest details. Prema, politics aside, have the police been able to tell who was behind this particular crude bombs that were found outside the BJP office?
The detective department of the Kolkata police is now investigating, looking at the CCTV footage in the area to see who the three miscreants were who fled from the spot when the bombs were found. There were 4 stacks of crude bombs that were found on Saturday evening, which is close to the BJP office. Now, the BJP says, we heard Dilip Ghosh has also said, and another BJP leader, that it was the possibility that the BJP office would be attacked because other party offices have been attacked. But the police has not said anything as yet. They're looking at various clues to see what could be the reason that these crude bombs were kept here and who these miscreants were. As far as the political part is concerned, the BJP, of course, alleges that the party offices could be attacked, but the Trinamool Congress washes its hands of this, saying that what is the value of the BJP party office after they secured 75 seats, and it is the people who were here in the state who are fleeing from the state, and it is them perhaps. They are the people who have had these bombs, and that is why these bombs were recovered. But it is a face-off between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress, even as investigators are trying to find out what is the reason and the motive behind these bombs being found. Back to you, Jyoti.
All right, thanks for joining us with the very latest details right there. Anti-rowdy squad of Kolkata police recovered 51 crude bombs from Khidirpur crossing near BJP office. The bombs were filled in a bag and discovered by Kolkata police around 8 p.m. last evening, kept 100 meters away from the office. These were 3 miscreants who fled the spot when the officers of anti-rowdy squad reached Khidirpur crossing after getting intelligence input from the army. The bomb disposal squad of Kolkata police was immediately called upon to the spot. They defused the bombs. It is not yet known who placed the bombs and what the motive was. The police is now investigating this matter.